Hello all, again welcome to the another series. So in this series we are supposed to understand about the CI/CD, GitHub Action and GCP, Google Cloud Platform. These tools are highly encouraged in the market and I would also like you to understand about these tools because it is very in demand. And for any developers, whosoever you are, if you are working in an AI field or in a software part, you should know these tools. So what are the prerequisite of these tools? The first thing is that you should know GitHub, you should know Docker, you should know Python, and you should know how to make a API and call an API using Fast API. If you haven't checked my Fast API video, please go and watch it first. Understand that how to create an API, how to post request, how to get request, then come to this lecture. So we are supposed to understand about CI/CD tool. Okay, CI/CD means what? Continuous integration and continuous delivery slash deployment. First, again, let's come back to our protagonist, which is like Rohan. So in the last series, in Docker series, and before the Docker series, Rohan learned about GitHub. He know that how to create a project. Then he know how to push the project into GitHub. After that, he also learned about Docker so that he can make his own project independent of any operating system, and then he can just put this project into the Docker hub so that other friends can also able to access it just by pulling it from the Docker hub. Now Rohan wants to put this app into the internet so that other can also use it via websites, the same app. Because right now Rohan has already pushed it into the Docker hub. Now other friend has to first pull it from the Docker hub and then run it into their system. Now I want to automate this process. I want Rohan to simply commit it, push it into the GitHub, and everything is now getting automated so that you don't have to install Docker in your system, you don't need to pull from Docker hub, nothing. You can just visit any website, any URL, like you go type into the Google. Similarly, after the end of this course, you would able to understand the entire pipeline, the continuous integration and the continuous deployment pipeline, that how to make any app, any project live into the internet so that anyone can use it just by going into the Google and typing the your URL. Got it? So again, coming back to our story. So I want my app live on the internet 24/7 so that my friends can also order dosa anytime. So this is like the local laptop and he wants to publish his own app into the internet server. Okay, it is like cloud hosting so that I can just ignore the Docker dependency. So Rohan has built his dosa delivery app and Dockerize it perfectly. But right now, the app only run when his laptop is on, and he wants his app to be live 24/7 so that anyone can order dosa anytime. So this is like the problem statement, and this we are supposed to solve it using the tool like CI/CD, GitHub Action, and GCP, Google Cloud Platform. I will tell you each and everything, but let's go step by step. So this is what our introduction video. This is what our episode 1 is. Okay. Now I am aware that you have already understood about Docker, GitHub, Python, you know about Fast API. So these things seems very easy from now. Okay. So yeah, now again let's move to the episode 2 and we shall proceed further. Thank you.